my headphones right here, put it on my ear. Anyway, summon Siri and ask Siri a question. What is 12 times 6? So it's that simple to actually pass a test using Siri. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. So you guys know that I've done so many videos in the past where I show you how to cheat on tests. Now guys, there are many ways to successfully use your phone in the classroom without getting caught. It's just a matter of how you play it off. For example, you can tape your phone under the lid of a pencil box. When you open it, your phone will be right there at your disposal. But when you need to hide it, just close it up. It also works if you tape the phone to the bottom of a supplies box facing down. Just tilt it on its side every time you're required to use your handheld device. If you have a binder such as the one I have right here, you can easily take your phone and slide it inside one of the transparent pockets. You'll still be able to tap on it and use it like normal, and if a teacher approaches you, simply lay the binder with the phone underneath. If you use tape, you can also hack it to the point where your phone comes out every time you lift up the binder, and it also works just as well when you try to hide the phone. Just lift it up once more and the phone will lay inside. If you plan on using your phone while in the classroom, it's important that you wear long sleeves, as you can easily tuck your phone underneath and have it at your disposal at all times. Best part is that you can completely slide it inside the sleeve to avoid getting caught. Wearing hoodies always comes in handy when sneaking your phone into class, as you can position it over your shoulder and just tuck your phone inside. It'll be pretty close to your ear, so you can easily connect your earbuds to your phone just in case you need to listen to some audio while you're taking your test. Most schools require their students to wear ID badges at all times while they're on campus. So if yours is big enough and your phone is small enough, then you can easily slide it inside the badge holder right behind your ID. This is one of the more effective methods and works every single time. If you play your cards right, you can find the ideal sports bottle to help you use your phone during class. Just simply make a few cuts on the bottom. This is another method that is almost foolproof, as most teachers do allow their students to have water while in the class. So take advantage of that, guys. Backpacks are common items in the classroom, so why not use it to help you out? If you're creative, you can use a book to hide your phone inside the cover. When it comes to a box of markers, it's not hard to free up some space inside to store your phone while taking a hard test. If you want to learn more in full detail as to how I achieve these methods, you can find the links to those videos in the description. Check them out after you're done watching this video. Now I know that's wrong, guys, but sometimes we do what we gotta do to pass tests. Now in this video, I'm actually gonna show you ways that you guys can cheat on a test using your phone. And I think that's a riskier one because you're not allowed to have your phones in class, or at least not use them while in class. So using your phone to pass a test is a negative and a negative, do they equal a positive? I don't know, guys, but I'm gonna show you anyway. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cheat on a test using your phone. And there are many ways to do that, guys. But before we get started, let's make sure that you are subscribed to this channel with all notifications turned on. Hit that like button already, guys. Please do it now. And check it out. This one is the most basic one. Now, if you have a smartphone, you're way better off than having anything else, because a smartphone has many functions within that'll help you pass a test. For example, let's say you're in math class, right? And you got all kinds of math equations that you don't really know the answers to. Well, all you guys gotta do is take out your phone, open the calculator, and that's it. You can use your phone as a calculator and do your math equations just like that. Now, of course, that's the most obvious one, but here are other tricks that you guys can use to pass a test. So if you have a friend that's taking that same test, but a period before you, basically an hour before you, have them take a picture of that test. So send them a quick text. Hey, Fado, can you take a picture of the test? Now that's gonna set you up so you have a head start on that test, and you guys can look up those answers. I just got it from Fado, and now I can research the answers to that test. See how simple that is? There's a test, and now I can concentrate on looking up the answers for this. What I have right here are some cheat notes, guys. I spent all night researching these, and these are gonna help me pass my test. But how does my phone come into this right here? How do I get my phone to help me cheat with these notes? Well, it's also quite simple. It's not about what's inside the phone, but what's on the phone. So my phone right here, even though you guys can't see it that well, it's got a case. And I'm actually gonna use the case. So all I gotta do is take the phone out of the case, put my cheat notes in there. So tuck them in there. See how perfectly they fit in there? And if your notes are bigger, then obviously you're gonna have to fold them. Well, now I gotta place my phone on, and that's it. Now I have my notes within my phone. So I'll have this in my pocket, and when I need my notes, I'll simply just take them out of my phone case. And if teacher was to approach me and notice that I have something on here, I'll just tell them, oh, I was just checking my phone for the time, or hey, I just got a text, I'm sorry, I'll put my phone away. You know, no big deal, right? Literally, they know that I had some cheat notes within the phone. A simpler way for this is actually to have your cheat notes, lay them down on a table, and just take a picture of them. That way, instead of having to go through the trouble of removing your phone case and making noise or whatever, you don't want to draw that kind of attention towards you. So all you guys gotta do is be sneaky about it. Turn on your phone and peek through your pictures, and you will find your notes. They'll be right there, and you guys can look through them while you're taking that test. It's not hard at all. It can easily be done. All right, guys, remember when I said Fatal took a picture of the test and sent it to me? Well, now that I have the answers for it, an easier way for me to actually take the test is to use my headphones right here. For example, these come with an iPhone. If you ever have an iPhone, you probably get a pair of these. Put it on my ear. So now that I have the answers to that test, guys, I'm gonna record with my voice on my phone the answers. So during the test, I'll have to be sneaky about this, but I'll have my earbuds on me with the audio playing basically the answers that I recorded on the phone. So if this is a multiple choice test, I can easily go through this really quickly. For example, it'll say, question 1, the answer is B. Question 2, the answer is D. Question 3, the answer is D. Question 4, the answer is A. So you'll breeze through that test so quickly, guys. But remember, you would have to get the test ahead of time. But that's how simple that is. And of course, you also have to be very sneaky when having this on your ear. Now, if you do not get the test ahead of time and you just have the test right in front of you, you don't have any cheat notes, you don't know the answers to these tests, what can you do? Well, if you have a smartphone and for example this iPhone has Siri, just summon Siri. And all you guys gotta do is press the button on the earbuds and Siri will ask you, how can she help you? Or is it a boy? I don't know, guys, what is Siri? Please let me know in the comments below. Is he a boy or is he a girl? Anyway, summon Siri and ask Siri a question. For example, if you're taking a math test and you don't know the answer to what is 12 times 6? According to Siri, 12 times 6 is 72. As you guys just saw, Siri gave me a quick answer. And remember though, you have to whisper it to Siri. You cannot just speak out loud because your teachers will hear you. And the thing about these earbuds is that they pick up sound really easy. So even if you whisper, it'll catch it. And nobody else will, but the earbuds will, guys. So it's that simple to actually pass a test using Siri. For example, another question. When did World War II end? Alright, so Siri's giving me way more answers than what I asked for. And it's saying that World War II ended September 2nd, 1945. So there's my answer right there. So that's pretty cool, guys, that you can actually have Siri give you all the answers to most of the questions that you might have on your test. Now, if Siri doesn't give you those answers, you'll have to look them up online, and that's when you get on your browser and just Google it, guys. For example, what is a dog? And it gives you the answer right there. So basically it's defining what a dog is. Anyway, guys, you'll have easy access to all this information if you use your phone. Now the easy part is using your phone, but the hard part is actually using your phone without getting caught. Yeah, because we can easily access these answers. Of course, you gotta be sneaky about this, but it definitely works. Either one of these methods will help you get an A. Now, if you don't wanna risk getting your phone confiscated, on my channel I have more methods on how to cheat on a test. They're simpler, easier, and they're less riskier, so try them out. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe if you haven't already. And also, one last thing, guys, I really appreciate a thumbs up on this video. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys in my next video. So here's my phone. On one side, you clearly have access to it, and on the back, you have the calculator. So you can be in class, texting, using it for whatever, but you see your teacher coming towards you. So you just flip it over and see, there's no phone. I was just using my calculator.